Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase credit limit on Capital One. To increase your credit limit on Capital One app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. From the home screen, select the credit card for which you want to request a limited increase. Tap the three-dot menu or the More option, then select Request Credit Line Increase. You'll be directed to a request form where you need to provide key information, including total annual income, employment status, and monthly rent or mortgage payment. After completing the form, submit your request. Capital One may provide an immediate decision or notify you once the review is complete. It's important to note that this process uses a soft credit inquiry, so your credit score won't be affected. Keep in mind eligibility factors if your account is new, you've recently received a credit line change, your usage is low, or there are recent delinquencies. Your request may be declined. Following the steps ensures a smooth and informed request for a credit line increase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.